Why don't seniors play hide and seek while house cleaning? Because good luck hiding when they can't remember where they put their reading glasses. And now, let us explore 11 practical tips on house cleaning for seniors. Tip 1. Develop a routine. Having a regular cleaning routine not only helps maintain a tidy home, but also reduces the overall workload. Break larger tasks down into manageable tasks to prevent overexertion. Daily tasks such as washing dishes, making the bed, and tidying high-traffic areas can go a long way in maintaining a clean home. Tip 2. Prioritize safety. Take steps to prevent potential accidents whilst cleaning, such as avoiding wobbly furniture, keeping a sturdy stool handy for reaching high shelves, and wearing non-slip shoes to prevent falling. Always have a cell phone or emergency alert device within reach in case you need assistance. Tip 3. Declutter regularly. Reducing clutter can significantly make cleaning easier as it speeds up the dusting and vacuuming process. Clear surfaces can also minimize the risk of falls and make maneuvering around the house easier. Tip 4. Use the proper cleaning tools. Choose lightweight and easy-to-use cleaning tools. Long-handled brooms, mops and dusters can reduce the need to stretch, bend or climb. Also, ergonomic handles reduce the strain on hands and wrists. Tip 5. Take breaks. Instead of attempting to clean the entire house in one go, focus on one area at a time and be sure to take regular breaks. This can minimize the risk of fatigue, overexertion or injury. Tip 6. Consider professional help. For more demanding tasks such as cleaning carpets, windows, gutters or moving heavy furniture, consider hiring professional cleaners. Not only will it save you time, but it can also prevent injuries. Tip 7. Use safe and effective cleaning products. Be mindful of your selection of cleaning supplies. Some products contain harsh chemicals which might irritate the skin, eyes or lungs. Opt for non-toxic and eco-friendly alternatives that are just as effective but much safer to use. Tip 8. Optimize your storage. Use storage solutions that are easily accessible and requires less physical strain. Drawers are easier to handle than cupboards, especially for seniors who have a hard time bending or stretching. Tip 9. Ask for help. You don't have to do everything alone. Ask family members, friends or neighbors for help, especially when you need to clean hard-to-reach areas or move heavy objects. Tip 10. Use a vacuum cleaner with a HEPA filter. A vacuum cleaner equipped with a HEPA, high-efficiency particulate air filter, can effectively suck up dust mites, pet dander, pollen, and other small particles that a regular vacuum might miss. This can be particularly useful for seniors suffering from allergies or respiratory conditions. Tip 11. Consider downsizing. If maintaining a large house is becoming too burdensome, it may be time to consider downsizing to a smaller home or apartment. Smaller homes are much easier to clean and maintain, and this could free up more time for relaxation or pursuits of interest.